Understanding the role of a workshop coordinator. Hello everyone, welcome to our video where we're diving into the exciting world of English phrases and job titles. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, workshop coordinator. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about various job roles, you're in the right place. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, workshop and coordinator. A workshop is a meeting or a series of meetings, often interactive, where people engage in intensive discussion or activities on a particular subject or project. Workshops are places of learning, sharing, and developing skills. A coordinator refers to a person who organizes and manages various elements of an activity, event, or project to ensure everything runs smoothly. Coordinators are essential in planning, arranging resources, and ensuring objectives are met. Now that we understand the components, let's dive into what a workshop coordinator actually does. A workshop coordinator is responsible for planning, organizing, and overseeing workshops. This includes identifying the workshop's goals and objectives. They ensure the workshop's content is relevant and valuable to the participants. Logistics. This involves scheduling the workshop, booking the venue, arranging for materials and equipment, and managing any other logistical needs. Communication. Coordinators often handle communications with participants, speakers, and any other stakeholders. They provide all necessary information about the workshop, including topics, schedules, and expectations. Facilitation. While they may not always lead the workshop themselves, coordinators ensure it runs smoothly, often by supporting facilitators, managing time, and addressing any issues that arise. What makes a great workshop coordinator? Here are some key skills and qualities. Organizational skills. Being able to juggle multiple tasks and details is crucial. Communication skills. Clear and effective communication with everyone involved. Problem-solving ability. The capacity to quickly address and resolve any issues that arise before or during the workshop. Adaptability. Flexibility to adapt to changes or unexpected challenges is essential. Leadership. The ability to lead, motivate, and provide clear direction to ensure the success of the workshop. We hope this video has shed some light on the important and dynamic role of a workshop coordinator. This role is not just about organizing events but creating meaningful experiences that facilitate learning and development. Whether you're aspiring to become one or simply wanted to understand what the title entails, we hope you found this video informative and helpful. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the vast world of the English language with us.